Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create constants in PHP. Now first of all let's understand what is a constant. A constant is something which cannot change its value. Once you will give it a value, after that you will never change it. So how to define a constant in PHP? For this we have a function in PHP, that is define function, which takes two arguments. The first argument is the name of the constant and the second is its value. Now the value can be a string or it may be a number. For example, you will write here define and you will write it inside PHP and the closing of this PHP. This one I had written in my previous video. I had shown you how we can define variables. I am continuing to define the constant also. So to define constant here, I am writing define and this is a function. So it will take two arguments. The first argument is the name of the constant, so I am giving it a name paragraph. So I have given it a name as paragraph and I will insert it into double quotes, and this after this I will write the comma. So I have named the constant as paragraph and now I will give it a value. So value can be a number or a string, so let's give it a value as a string. And let's define one more variable in which I am not using the string but I will use the constant number. So here again I will write define and here inside it I will write, I will use double quote. You can also use single quote but I am using double quotes only. So double quotes and then year. Now here I will write the number, not the string, so I will not use double quotes here. So I will write here 2021. Okay, and now I want it to be shown, so I will write here echo, and after this I will put here one dot, and after dot I will write the name of the constant which I have defined. So the name of the constant is paragraph, so after dot I will write here paragraph, and you can see that it is in capital letters, so I will use it in the same way. And after that, if I want to write something else, then again I will have to put this dot, and after this I will write here, and after this I will write dot, and now I will write the name of the constant, that is year, and that is in capital letters. So again I will write here it in capital. So that's it, and now I will close it. Here I have forgotten to put the semicolon, so file, then save it, and here you can see this is the output. The paragraph is as follow. This is the here instead of that constant, this whole paragraph has come. So here I had used the constant name that was year, so instead of that it has written 2021, and here this instead of this whole from here to here I had written only the name of that constant which was paragraph, and instead of that constant number this whole paragraph has been written here. I hope you liked my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.